Hello everyone, this is Brad from the 3D Printing Garage Mahal channel. Hey, having some fun? You saw this massive fidget spinner that I made for myself a while back. Well, my neighbor just got his first manual sports car, actually his first manual car ever. You know, it's got the third pedal, and he loves it, loves driving it, has a lot of fun. So I said, hey, you want me to make you one of these? Because he saw what I had. He goes, oh man, that'd be cool. What color? Red. So here we go. I got this little beauty for him, and it's pretty cool, right? You go through all the gears, and hey, if you can't find it, grind it. But oh yeah, there's reverse. You got to get out of places. But this is what I think is the coolest part. Oh look, I see someone's name down in there, so I did a little customization. Kind of cool. Anyway, but lots of fun doing some prints right now. Getting a cigar ashtray ready for a buddy, and it's going to be Kevin's barbecue, so that's pretty cool. I'll show you that when I get that done. Hey, have a great one, and if you like what you see, please hit like and subscribe. Take care. Thank you much.